We got a nice, lovely fight coming up between Jesse Dickens and Anthony Kakase, the WBA World Super Featherweight title. And Jesse Dickens has a record of 36-5, while Kakase is having a 24-1. Dickens he is 5'5", 63 inches of reach out of Liverpool. Lost to Andres Sosa but defeated Jairo Duran, Eduardo Mancito, Zelfa Barrett, Albert Patrugaziev, and I'm confident that Anthony is gonna give him the hard time. The Apache, he is 5'10", out of Belfast, Northern Ireland. He defeated Leywood, George Warrington, Joe Cordina. I want to believe that Jesse Dickens could give him a hard time, but the Apache is just too good. It's extremely difficult to defeat Leywood, and anybody who deserves and defeats Leywood deserves my respect. And I think Anthony is going to win this fight. So I'm leaning with Anthony for the victory.